Welcome to CIE Online. My name is Claire and I will be your teacher for this pre-session introduction to Oxford Arts, Architecture and the University. Oxford is world famous for its university, but it is also a city with wonderful art, architecture, and many links to literature and film. To help you experience this, we are going to take you on a short tour of some of the city's most famous sites, so you can see what makes it so special. Before we go on the tour, have a look at this task. Here is a short task for you to complete while you are watching the video tour of Oxford. Try to find the answers to the following 6 questions. Question 1. Which is the oldest building in Oxford and how old is it? Question 2. How many colleges are there in Oxford University? Question 3. In which building did the university start? Question 4. Why has the Divinity School become very famous? Question 5. In which building do the students enter the university and receive their degrees? And question 6. Which university building has strong connections with Harry Potter and Alice in Wonderland? Don't forget that words highlighted in blue are useful for the topic. Pause the video for about a minute and make a note of these questions in your notebook. When you have finished, come back to the video. Welcome back. You are now going to watch the tour of Oxford. To do this, you need to go to Edmodo. You need to go to the pre-session folder, Oxford Art, Architecture and the University, and watch the video called Oxford Tour. Enjoy this visual tour of Oxford's main sites, and don't forget to find the answers to the 6 questions. You might want to watch the video more than once. Don't worry about trying to understand everything. You will learn about the details in your live lessons. When you have finished watching the Oxford tour, come back to this video and we will check the answers to the questions. Welcome back. I hope you enjoyed the tour of Oxford and that you have learned a little about why it is such a special city. Let's check the answers to the 6 questions. Question 1. Which is the oldest building in Oxford and how old is it? Well, the oldest building in Oxford is the Saxon Tower, which is over 1,000 years old. Question 2. How many colleges are there in Oxford University? Oxford University has 38 colleges. Question 3. In which building did the university start? The university started in St. Mary's Church. Question 4. Why has the Divinity School become very famous? The Divinity School is a beautiful building which has been made famous because of Harry Potter. It was the hospital and the dance hall in the Harry Potter films. Question 5. In which building do the students enter the university and receive their degrees? The students enter the university and receive their degrees in the Sheldonian Theatre. And question 6. Which university building has strong connections with Harry Potter and Alice in Wonderland? The building that has strong connections to Harry Potter and Alice in Wonderland is Christ Church, perhaps Oxford University's most famous college. Well done if you were able to answer these questions. You will learn more about these buildings and other sites that were in the tour too in your live lessons. You will also learn about some of the architectural styles, including Gothic, Neoclassical, and Gothic Revival. The beautiful architecture of Oxford and the university are very closely connected. The university buildings, the colleges, the theatres, the libraries are what make the city of Oxford so beautiful. And these buildings are unique. The history and organisation of Oxford University is unique too. In the next task, you will learn some key information about Oxford University that will prepare you for the live session on this world-famous university. The next task is a reading task. To do this, you will need to go back to Edmodo, to the pre-session folder called Oxford Art, Architecture and the University. In this folder, find an article called Pre-Session Reading, Oxford University, which looks like this. Read this article, which will introduce you to some key information, including how the university started and how students at Oxford University are taught. Pay attention because when you have finished reading and come back to the video, there will be some questions to see what you have learnt. Also, pay attention to the vocabulary, which is highlighted in blue and is listed in the key terminology on page 3. This is useful for understanding the topic and may help you to discuss the topic in your live lessons. Pause the video now and come back when you have read the article. Welcome back. Let's see what you have learnt about Oxford University from the article. Here is your next task. Pause the video for about 5 minutes and see if you can answer the following 8 questions based on information from the article. Question 1. Teaching at Oxford was happening as early as the year A. 596, B. 1296, or C. 1096. Question 2. The first 3 colleges were founded in A. the 12th century, B. the 13th century, or C. the 15th century. Question 3. Students apply A. to the university, B. to a college, or C. for a course. Question 4. At Oxford and Cambridge universities, students see their teacher once a week. This system is called A. the tutorial system, B. the Oxbridge system, or C. matriculation. Question 5. Matriculation and graduation ceremonies take place in A. the Radcliffe Camera, B. the Bodleian Library, or C. the Sheldonian Theatre. Question 6. The college buildings are usually grouped around A. the quadrangle, B. the library, or C. the chapel. Question 7. When the colleges were first designed, they copied the style of A. the University of Paris, B. museums, or C. monasteries. And question 8. The motto of Oxford University, Dominus Illuminatio Mea, is Latin and translates as A. God illuminate me, B. God is my light, or C. God is my education. Try to see what you can remember, but if you need to, look back at the article to check your ideas. Write your ideas in your notebook. When you are ready, come back to the video and we will check the answers. Welcome back. I hope you were able to remember some of the information and find the answers in the article for the questions that you were not sure about. Let's check the answers. Question 1. Teaching at Oxford was happening as early as the year C. 1096. Question 2. The first 3 colleges were founded in B. the 13th century. Question 3. Students apply to B. a college. Question 4. At Oxford and Cambridge universities, students see their tutor once a week. This system is called A. the tutorial system. Question 5. Matriculation and graduation ceremonies take place in the Sheldonian Theatre. The correct answer is C. Question 6. The college buildings are usually grouped around A. the quadrangle. Question 7. When the colleges were first designed, they copied the style of C. monasteries. And question 8. The motto of Oxford University, Dominus Illuminatio Mea, is Latin and translates as B. God is my light. Well done if you were able to answer those questions successfully. Your teacher may ask you questions about this in the live lessons, and of course you will learn much more about Oxford University. Here is a list of key terminology and the names of some places in Oxford that you will have seen or heard in this introduction to Oxford art, architecture, and the university. If you are still not sure what some of these words mean, watch the video again and read the article, or check the words in a dictionary. Gothic, Neoclassical, Gothic Revival, Colleges, Enter the university, Receive a degree, Chancellor, Founded, The tutorial system, Lectures, Departments, Faculties, Matriculation ceremony, Graduation ceremony, Quadrangle, Monastery or monasteries, Motto. And here are some of the places in Oxford that you have been introduced to. The Oxford Union, the Saxon Tower, St Mary's Church, the Radcliffe Camera, the Sheldonian Theatre, the Bodleian Library, the Divinity School, Christ Church. We have seen that Oxford is a city with great architecture, literary connections, history, and a world-famous university. I hope you are looking forward to using the knowledge you have gained, including the key terminology, in your live lessons, where you will have the opportunity to learn more about Oxford and discuss your ideas and questions on this topic
with your teacher and your fellow students.